Welcome back to Rare Oakleys. We are going to be unofficially unboxing one of my favorite pairs, and I know my wife is going to give me a hard time because she says I always say it's one of my favorite pairs. Well, that's because I do have a lot of favorite pairs, so that's why I got them, right? But one of my favorite pairs of radars, and these are the King's Camo, the King's Woodland Camo. There's the Desert and the Woodland. We got the Woodland. And before we unbox these, I want to apologize, guys. I did try my best to locate the original box. I'm pretty sure we have it, but when you've got cases and cases and cases to go through, in addition to storage, sometimes things get a little bit lost. Typically, we'll put the box beneath the case where the Oakleys are being displayed, but in this case, I don't know where the box is. So we got another box, a similar box, so I do apologize for that. But before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Hit that like button, give us a thumbs up, and of course, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss a future episode of Rare Oakleys. As always, check out our other videos. We have a ton of fantastic and exclusive content, and absolutely make sure you guys check out my book. If I haven't told you about this yet, I think I have. Links are going to be down below in the description, but it is a very inspirational book. It's very fun. It's very entertaining. It's packed with tips and tricks on how to save money. And listen, even if you do not like to read, I promise you, you will love this book. There's a lot of great reviews on Amazon. Check it out. Again, links are going to be below in the description. And for those of you into cryptocurrency, definitely check out Texit Coin. And even if you're not into cryptocurrency, you need to check out Texit Coin. Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, and I'm not giving financial advice. However, you can, as of the time that this video is being shot, purchase a miner or two, or I believe up to 9, and they will mine for you 24/7, and you will get paid in your digital wallet every 24 hours. Come a little bit closer so the audience can see here. They will send you a physical coin, a cold storage coin, and there's a QR code, a unique QR code on the back. It's on a sticker. Now, this is an example, so there's nothing on this, but on your coin, if you decide to participate, when they mail you the coin, you get the app, you download the app, you scan the QR code, and you will have your own digital wallet. It's a watch only. In other words, you cannot take money out of it, but you'll see you'll get paid every 24 hours, like clockwork. And if you do decide to take money out of it, well, you take the coin out of the package here, you take this little sticker, come back in a little bit, the sticker right here, you peel the sticker off, and there's another QR code that's a unique QR code embedded on the coin itself. That will be your hot wallet where you can remove the coins if you want, and you can sell part or all of them. But the cool thing is you get paid for 137 years, every 24 hours. So it's residual income for a one-time fee of paying for a miner or 2 or 3 or however many miners you decide to buy. I purchased 6 miners for the price of 5. Right now, at the time that this video is being shot, if you buy 5 miners, you get a sixth miner at no additional cost. So I've got 6 miners, and every 24 hours I get paid. And yes, you can take out some of the money or all of the money at any time. So not a bad deal if you think about it, especially if it's for 137 years. You can leave it to your children and your grandchildren, and they'll get paid for the rest of their lives too. So check it out. Links are going to be below in the description for this. One is going to be Texit Coin's official website. The second link is going to be our referral link because, yes, there are referral bonuses. You don't have to refer anybody, but you can. So I figured we got a YouTube channel, so why not, right? Why not do some referrals? And we have gotten some referrals. So check it out. Links are going to be below in the description. And if you do decide to participate, use our referral link. It's the second link below here. We appreciate that. Thank you very much. Now, let's check out these King's Woodland Camo radars. And again, this is not the original box. However, it would have been pretty much identical to this. Basically, just the sticker on the side, the skew, is going to be different. In fact, I guess I'll let you guys in on this. Come on in. We do have the other one, the King's Desert Camo. But again, this is not the Desert Camo. This is the King's Woodland Camo. So keep that in mind. And you may ask, how do you know? Well, there's a couple of things. Mainly, it's going to be the colors because most of you are probably going to be familiar. Some of you may not, but every frame is going to be unique. No 2 frames are going to be exactly identical because the pattern, the camouflage pattern, is going to be slightly different from frame to frame. But it's basically the color schematics is going to be the main thing between the Desert Camo and the Woodland Camo. These, again, are the Woodland Camo. One thing I wanted to point out before opening these And right here, Overview is a great website, by the way. A great, if you're into Oakleys, great way to check things out. But so on Overview, they've got, you can see here, this is the Woodland Camo, and this is actually the pair we're going to be unboxing. And then they've got the Desert Camo, and you can see there's a little bit of a difference there, right, in the frames. Basically, it's the colors are the main difference. The lighter colors with the Desert Camo, and a little bit of a darker color pattern for the Woodland Camo. Now, they came with bronze polarized lenses, and they were, you can see they were the pitch lenses, both of those. The Woodland and the Desert Camo both came from the factory with pitch lenses now installed. Now, I can't use pitch lenses because I've got a medium facial structure, maybe medium to slightly smaller. So if you got a medium facial structure, you're probably gonna wanna go with path. But I really like the radars a lot when they came out, and I tried to get every single frame possible, every frame color, and this was the only way to get them. You could not get the King's Woodland Camo or Desert Camo through OCP. You couldn't get them anywhere else. You had to buy this specific configuration directly the way it came from the factory. So I ended up getting these, and I believe I sold the lens, the pitch lens. So we customized these, and we actually customized these. Well, you're probably going to see it in the title, but we got VR28 black iridium polarized path lenses in here. So of course these actually came with the reinforced nylon ballistic case, which they no longer offer. Oakley no longer offers these cases, especially with the metal icon here, which is, in my opinion, much cooler than the new ones, what they call the sport cases. You've got your some of your paperwork and warranty registration things in here, and they actually came in a bag too, a protective bag, which I don't know that they really necessarily needed to have that, but they did. But let's open these up here real quick and see what we got. And I'm also going to tell you guys too, I have the wrong microfiber bag in here too. This is just the standard black microfiber bag, because both the King's Woodland and Desert Camo, they both came with their own special microfiber bags with the little deer logo on them, the King's logo, which is a little deer head with the antlers. So this is the incorrect micro bag, just so you guys know. But you can see that we do have the frames here. Obviously the Woodland Camo, King's Woodland Camo frames. And again, each frame has its own distinct pattern. No two frames are going to be identical. Wow, look at that. You know, I didn't even notice this. This actually kind of matches our countertop here. How cool is that? It almost blends in with the countertop. Wow, I guess I like these even more. And again, these originally came with bronze polarized lenses, which were not bad, but they were the pitch lenses, which are convex at the bottom. In other words, they flare out. They do provide additional coverage for larger faces, but again, me having a medium face, I always opt for the radar path instead of the radar pitch. And again, these are VR28 black iridium polarized. And if you hold these up to the light, hopefully we can kind of capture that. You can see, I'm going to do it right with it. You can see the lens color is that VR28 base. You got the polarized etching there in the lower left corner. And I think this lens really complements this frame exceptionally well. Root beer unobtainium, root beer or barrel, one or the other, same thing. Root beer or barrel ear socks and nose piece here. So this is one of my favorite color combos. And I know my wife says, you say that about so many of them, about all of them. Well, that's why they're my favorites. That's why I got them. Otherwise, I wouldn't have picked them up, right? I wouldn't have picked them up if I didn't think they were some of my favorites. But I really like this pair a lot, especially because I had to go that extra mile to customize these. We'll give you guys a close-up here real quick so you can appreciate just how cool these really look. Hopefully, man, yeah, they really do blend in with the countertop, kind of. That's kind of cool. We're just trying to get everything in focus here for you guys. Wow, iPhone is really, really lousy. They keep shifting from one camera to the other. Look at that. I'm not even doing that. I'm just trying to focus the video here.
And you can barely tell that the ear socks are root beer or barrel. It's hard to see. I guess it's definitely hard to see on the video, but they are the root beer ear socks. I guess it's maybe easier to tell if there's brighter light. I should have brought my pocket flashlight. I guess you can kind of tell the nose piece is root beer there. But very interesting pair. Again, one of my favorite color combos, especially with the VR28 Black Iridium Polarized. And let us let us know what you guys think about what you guys think about these in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. Do not forget to hit that bell icon, and we will see you next time on Rare Oakleys.